Have you ever wondered what a licensee is? It is a fundamental concept in how businesses share ideas, brands, and technology. A licensee is simply the party that receives permission to use someone else's property or rights under specific legal conditions. At the center of any licensing relationship is a formal contract that defines exactly what the licensee can and cannot do. Licensees often pay for the right to use trademarks, patented inventions, or creative works without having to build them from scratch. Think of the licensor as the owner and the licensee as the authorized user. They are two sides of the same business coin. Licensees usually pay either a flat upfront fee or royalties based on their sales, which is often how the owner earns money. Remember that being a licensee is about borrowing rights, not gaining permanent ownership of the underlying asset. Always read the fine print in any licensing deal. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more business basics.